สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hello everybody. It's Kru Huda from Paasaa Huda. In today's video, we'll learn how to speak, read, and write Thai words related to restaurants. If you've never learned Thai vowels or consonants before, this video might be a bit challenging for you, but it's not too hard. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first word we have right here is menu. And in Thai, we say menu, menu. So this is the computer font. Let's have a look how normal Thai handwriting looks like. Me, no, menu. So to write the first syllable, me, it consists of one consonant and one vowel. So the first consonant we're going to say is the consonant, and the vowel, which is the a sound, me. Okay, now, so this is the a sound. Okay, so it's like this. Sara a. Sara means vowel and a is the sound. So sara a. And then you follow by the consonant which is this guy over here. And this guy is called ma, which is the letter M in English. Ma. Start with the head, the circle here, go down, another circle, go right, and then go up. So this is how you get the first syllable, me. And I also want to show you how to never write me. So this is the wrong method. If you start with the ma and then follow by the a sound. And can you read this as may? No, in Thai it is wrong. So the vowel a always comes in front of the consonant. So this is the correct one here. Me. Now let's go to the next part, which is nu. So it consists of one consonant, n, and the oo sound, the vowel oo. Okay, so for nu, we start with a consonant first, which is this guy here, and it is called no. So how to write it? You start with the head round like that, go down. Now don't go to another circle. Go right first, make a circle, and then go up. So this letter is no. Now the vowel oo, you have to write it at the bottom. Start from the circle, go down, come up, like the letter U. This syllable over here is nu. Okay, now let's read it together. Menu. And it means menu. The next word, food. And in Thai, it's called อาหาร Okay, now let's write it. อาหาร Now, for those who doesn't know vowels or consonants yet, just make a guess, okay? What are these two characters over here? Okay, the word is อาหาร What's the thing that happens twice in this word? In these two syllables, so the sound is repeated, right? อาหาร So you can guess that these two letters over here are the sara, which means vowel, Now, let's break the two syllables. Okay, so let's break it like that. And we start from this first one, the first syllable. The first guy here is a consonant. And it is called o ang. Okay, I'll come back to this guy soon. Next, let's go to the next letter, which is a vowel, like I mentioned. This vowel is sara a, and you write it like that from top to bottom. Okay, now you will pronounce this as okay, What is this guy over here? So in Thai, you cannot just write a vowel by itself. You will need a consonant to go along with it. So this guy over here, o ang, is a consonant that doesn't have its own distinct sound. Say, if the vowel is you will read it as as well. But if the vowel is then you will read this consonant as as well. So it actually follows whatever the vowel sounds like. Now, let's go to the next syllable. This one is han. Okay, now let's write it. So the first guy you see over here is called hò hì. Okay, start with the circle on the left, go down, go diagonally up to the right, make another circle, come back down. So this letter is hò hì, and it's the h sound, like H. And this letter has its own tone, okay? It has its rising tone by itself, like automatically rising tone. And now you repeat the vowel, So if you add it here, now this syllable automatically has the rising tone, which is ha, okay, because of the H here, which is hò hì. And then you end with the final consonant. Okay. Now this guy is called รอเรือ and it's the R sound. R. So it's supposed to be ahar, right? However, it's a rule in Thai language that whenever a syllable ends with รอเรือ, ends with this guy, the R becomes N sound. So it's actually han instead of har. Okay, because in Thai, we never have any words that is pronounced r at the end. So when you see a Thai word that ends with this letter, it always becomes n sound. Okay, let's read again. อาหาร อาหาร The next word, rice. In Thai, it is cow. Cow. You will see it written like this. Cow. Or sometimes some Thai people will write this letter like this. So it's got this sharp little bottom over here. The first sounding consonant is the k sound, and in Thai it is called ขอไข่ and it's written like this with the head first, go down, come up. Okay, ขอไข่ and ขอไข่ belongs to this class of consonants that has its own rising tone. So it's ขอไข่. So that's the sound of the letter ขอ ขอ. The next thing on top is this letter here, and it is a tone mark which makes this word a falling tone. It is this tone mark which makes the word sound like cow instead of cow. Okay, so this tone mark is called ไม้โท Okay, the next letter. Do you remember this guy over here? สระ Okay, so this is the sound. We got ka already covered. Okay, and then the final one, this letter here, is the w sound. And this guy is called วอแหวน วอแหวน which is like the W sound. วอแหวน Okay, so you will read this as cow, cow. Okay, and sometimes in some phonetics, they will use the O letter. Cow, cow. Okay, so either O or W, either way. In Thai, it's this letter. วอแหวน Let's read it together again. So this is cow, cow. The next word, water, and in Thai, it's called น้ำ น้ำ Okay, so in usual handwriting, this is how we write it. This is the letter, which is นอหนู นอหนู which gives the n sound. And then this is the vowel. This together is the sound. So in Thai, it's called สระอำ So together it is nam, nam. Okay, nam. Now, this word is not nam, not mid-tone. It's got a high tone. Nam, nam. So we have to add the tone mark, which makes it go high tone. And that tone mark is this guy here, which is called ไม้โท ไม้โท. And it makes this word a high tone. Nam, nam. Let's write it again in the correct order. So we normally start with นอหนู first. Then we go to the circle part of the sound, and then we add the ไม้โท, the tone mark, and then we complete the vowel. So this is น้ำ Quiz time. Okay, I'm going to write a word and then you have to read it. Okay, what is this word? Okay, can you try? This word is อาหาร What is this one? Cow. And this one? Menu. And the last one. น้ำ All right, good job, everyone. ดีมากค่ะ Now let's see how to write those four words again. The first word is เมนู We start with สระเอ มอม้า นอหนู สระอู เมนู The second word อาหาร ออ่าง สระอา ขอหีบ สระอา รอเรือ อาหาร The third word ข้าว ขอไข่ ไม้โท สระอา วอแหวน ข้าว And the fourth one น้ำ นอหนู The circle part of สระอำ ไม้โท and then complete สระอำ น้ำ Let's read again. เมนู เมนู อาหาร อาหาร ข้าว ข้าว น้ำ น้ำ So that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning! Sawadika, it's Crew Huda. If you like my content and would like to support me, you can go to my Ko-fi. The link is in the description. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ